All the best. Most popular product on Amazon.
Hello and welcome to my review of the Chef's Path airtight food storage containers. If you're someone who loves to keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh, then these containers are a must-have. I recently got my hands on the set of 4, each with a capacity of 2.8 L, and I have been blown away by their performance. Let's start with the most important feature of these containers, their airtight seal. The silicone seal locks in the freshness of the food and prevents any moisture or air from getting inside. I have tested this by storing bread in one of the containers, and it stayed fresh for more than a week. The airtight seal also keeps out pests, so you can store your food without any worries. The design of these containers is also worth mentioning. The clear body of the containers allows you to see what's inside without having to open them, which is very convenient. The lids are easy to open and close, and they fit snugly onto the containers. The containers stack neatly on top of each other, which is perfect if you have limited storage space. One of the things I love about the Chef's Path airtight food storage containers is their versatility. You can use them to store a variety of foods, including pasta, cereal, snacks, and baking ingredients. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning and reheating a breeze. Finally, the set of 4 containers is reasonably priced, considering the quality and durability of the product. They are made of high-quality, BPA-free plastic, and I have no doubt that they will last me for a long time. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Chef's Path airtight food storage containers to anyone who wants to keep their food fresh and organized. They are versatile, durable, and reasonably priced. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.